Hi everyone. Managing cloud is hard. It can be complex, costly, and let's be honest, sometimes overwhelming. If you are wondering, how do I simplify this? How do I scale my business without scaling cloud complexity? You are in the right place. I am Ananta Ramachandran from DigitalOcean, and I am excited to be joined by Ank Seth from Tata Tele Business Services. Let us show you how to do big without burning your team or your budget to grow your business. Here's what's in store today through this presentation. First, you will learn how the partnership between DigitalOcean and Tata Tele Business Services can make the cloud management and cloud journey simpler and help you cut costs. We'll introduce you to Smart Cloud, a new offering by Tata Tele Business Services powered by DigitalOcean that is designed specifically for growing digital businesses like yours. And before we wrap, we'll share some easy next steps to help you simplify your cloud and fuel your business growth. First, I would love to start with the DigitalOcean's mission. We believe in one thing, which is simplicity. We exist to simplify the cloud and AI so that builders like you, uh, business professionals, developers, architects, DevOps professionals can spend more time doing what you love, which is creating software that changes the world. And we are powering customers worldwide. We power over 638,000 customers globally, including 165,000 digital native businesses and more than 3 million developers. With digital native businesses, we mean businesses that have products or services that are powered by cloud and AI. With 17 data centers across 9 regions, we offer robust infrastructure, fast networking, and peace of mind with the global security and compliance standards. Basically, DigitalOcean is a reliable, trusted, and it's built to scale with growing businesses like yours. Let's face it, most hyperscalers aren't built for growing SMBs or companies like yours. Hyperscalers are bloated with features you may never use. They offer pricing that is hard to predict and lock you in contracts. Worse, they often assume you've got big teams to manage the complexity when growing businesses like yours are actually working with lean and nimble teams. And that is exactly where DigitalOcean comes in. We are built for digital native companies like the startups, the growing SaaS companies, e-commerce companies, and growing businesses and teams that want a powerful cloud minus the clutter and the complexity. There are certain unmet needs that truly constrain growing businesses when you go with hyperscalers. Um, Whereas when you choose DigitalOcean, you don't need to be a cloud ops or FinOps expert to use DigitalOcean. Our pricing is transparent and predictable. Our platform is simple to scale, and it grows as your needs grow as well. And we offer tons of educational resources, a vibrant, active community, and stellar support that helps you both in challenging times as well as growth times as well. And we are not here to lock you in contracts. We are here to grow with you. And what DigitalOcean offers is a comprehensive cloud services for all your needs, right? At its core, we offer infrastructure as a service, which is abbreviated as IaaS, right? Basically, we offer virtual machines, which we call as droplets. We offer tons of storage options and also tons of networking products as well. And then built on top is our platform as a service offerings, such as the app platform for Kubernetes. And we also offer a Gen AI platform as well. And then we also offer SaaS, such as like tools like AI agents, and we have tons of apps from our marketplace to either add on or customize the solution for your specific needs too. And we are also strong in cloud hosting, perfect for dev teams building and scaling apps fast. So whether you are deploying a simple web app or building an AI-powered service, we've got you covered. And we've partnered with Tata Tele Business Services to bring this simplicity and scale to growing businesses in India through a new offering called as Smart Cloud. Smart Cloud by Tata Tele Business Services is powered by DigitalOcean that gives growing businesses in India like yours an easier path to cloud success. To tell you more about Smart Cloud, I'll hand it over to Ankan. Ankan, take it away, please.
Thanks a lot, Anand. It was really great hearing from you about DigitalOcean, its mission, and how we are shaping the SMB landscape. Hello all. Hello to everyone who've joined the webinar. I am Ankan Seth, and I take care of the cloud and AI business for Tata Tele Services. Anand, maybe we go to the next slide,
Yeah.
please. Thank you. So first of all, who we are? I mean, we at Tata Tele Services, we are a digital first, AI first telco in India. We're part of the esteemed Tata Group, and we are established with a vision to empower the SMBs through our innovative solutions. I mean, we are a company who are focused towards providing and shaping India's digital landscape. We provide connectivity solutions, we provide cloud solutions, collaboration solutions, cybersecurity services, and we are aimed towards enhancing the SMB productivity, SMB agility, and SMB digital transformation journey. So that the SMBs in India, thousands of SMBs in India, they drive innovation. They do, like Anant mentioned, they do what they're supposed to do. They get on board the digital journey and they serve their end customers well. So known for the customer centric approach and deep technological expertise, we are a trusted brand among thousands of SMBs in India. In the telco space, we are number one providers of the SIP line. We are the number one. We are adjudged as number one CSP of the year by ET Telecom. Pretty recently, we are also number one in acquiring new SMB customers for Microsoft, for Google, for Adobe, for other companies with whom we've been engaged for past few years. And now we've brought forward Smart Cloud solution. We have engaged with DigitalOcean so that we can bring forward an SMB solution that gives what the SMBs want. So, Anant, can we go on to the next slide? This particular slide talks about the impact that we've created in the SMB market. When we see our SMB interactions, we find that on an average, on a daily basis, near about 100 SMB customers buy some form of cloud services from us. And in past 3 years, we've acquired near about 11,000 small and medium businesses who are on a digital transformation journey, who are on cloud, and who are delivering their services efficiently to their internal associates as well as to their external customers and improving the CX, improving the revenue part of their growth journey. We are a company that has grown 230% from last 3 years. We have come up with near about 50 plus new offerings in the market for the SMB customers. We have a unique mission. I was telling this to Anand. We have a unique mission where we say that while we may be innovators as well, we also take pride in calling ourselves as packagers. We see whatever is best for the SMB, which technology is best for SMB, which technology is suiting for SMB, and is not an overkill for SMB. We take that technology, take that particular service, package it out, and try and deliver it to the SMB customers so that the ever evolving needs, ever evolving pain points of the SMB customers in India are met. To drive the cloud adoption, to drive the digital transformation for the SMB customers, we do near about 150 daily meetings with our customer success managers. And we invest pretty heavily in training and in building the capability of our end customers so that they use the new technology efficiently. We have a deep rooted capability within our own ecosystems. There are near about 110 plus cloud certified sales, pre-sales, and support team who are distributed across India. It's not that we have a particular center in a particular place. We operate out of 32 cities in India, and these cloud certified sales, pre-sales, and support team guys, they are distributed across these 32 cities so that we can provide a local support also whenever there is a particular need from a particular customer. So, as we rightly say, we are large enough to deliver. We are large enough to bring in all the OEMs, all the technologies that are present to solve the pain point of the SMB customers, but we are also small enough to care. We are small enough to understand what is the exact pain point that the customers, the digital native customers as well as dark to cloud customers are having, and then bring in a technology solution to help solve that. And if we can go on to the next slide, please. Yeah. So I want to talk about smart cloud that is powered by DigitalOcean. But before that, I want to highlight some of the problems that the customers face. The cloud solutions that are prevalent in these times, they come with a lot of features. They come with a lot of lot of small SKUs. To quote, there's a cloud solution that's out there. I'll not name them, but they have near about 6,000 to 7,000 individual SKUs. So that may be daunting to the digital native small startup or an SMB customer who is just getting onto the cloud journey. That particular customer will also, I mean, hire, let's say, a particular finance guy, hire a supply chain guy who may not be adept in the cloud technology. So managing the cloud cloud cost consumption, managing the egress charges, managing the ingress charges, and seeing how the cost is blowing up. Managing the usage charges may be maybe a complex thing for that finance guy who is not adept on the FinOps technology, FinOps way of working on the cloud piece. Then, due to the resource crunch, due to the ever evolving business needs, due to the small nature of the business, the SMBs in India may not have that kind of technological resource in house, and they may not be adept in solving the nitty-gritties of those individual cloud SKUs. So they may, be lacking a support system in their own company. So these are the few problems that we found out when we met and discussed with the customer, and that helped us bring out a smart cloud solution. So smart cloud solution is a comprehensive managed cloud offering that is developed by Tata Tele Services in collaborations with global technology partners like DigitalOcean to address the ever evolving needs of the Indian SMBs particularly. So the smart cloud solution provides the global trusted infrastructure that Anand talked about. We provide that global infrastructure solution with our local expertise, local service delivery excellence, and enterprise grade support to the end customer, to you, and provide you all the essential components in a single billing, in a single integrated package that brings you a near rental experience so that your finance guy who is still learning the cloud technology is able to process the particular bill that we will be generating to them. We provide and deliver enterprise grade performance and reliability through our support teams so that your developers, your application teams may focus on their applications rather than focusing on the cloud technology itself. To take an example, you may see that there is a bundled offering that is mentioned over there. So what we do is when we provide a smart cloud solution to the SMBs in India, we say that okay, once you purchase a particular compute, example droplets, you will also get a bundled SDD disk along with it. You will get a high availability for let's say 4 nines. You will get bundled value adds through IP address, through DDoS protection, through egress bandwidth, through DNS management, through a small firewall, through a VPC connector, through some monitoring and alerts as well, so that whenever something goes wrong in your cloud, uh, cloud footprint, you get alerted, you get a trigger. We provide all of this in one bundled offering. And then, being a telco as well, we also provide you a direct connectivity to the to the data centers of DigitalOcean, so that when your associates are working on cloud, they experience minimal latency. So we provide you an internet lease line, we provide you MPLS, we provide you SD-WAN solution, so that there is no challenge whatsoever in working on a real-time basis in your UAT environments, in your dev environments on cloud. And all of this comes with a monthly subscription model. We provide you a minimal, fluctuating near rental billing, so that there are no usage surges, there is no cost blow up for your finance team. We bundled all the support, we bundle all the services together in the offering, so that when you are purchasing a cloud solution from us, you get the support along with it. There is no point where you're using a cloud solution and you don't have someone standing next to you to handhold you whenever there is some problem or the other. And we also offer a Do Big Cloud Hub. So the Cloud Hub provides you feasibility of raising tickets on a one single platform, provides you flexibility of purchasing any additional SKUs on the single platform, provides you flexibility of doing payments and seeing your past usage on that single platform. So easy pay and subscribe on DBCH is an additional feature that we are providing to you. Through our smart cloud solution that is powered by DigitalOcean. Anand, if you may go on to the next slide. Yeah. So, before doing a deep dive on the slide contents, all of you would be curious about the central piece, the do big part. Anant and I, we were just before this webinar, we were talking about it. So, do big reflects our commitment. Do big reflects our buy-in. Do big reflects our skin in the game, where we are saying that we will, in any case whatsoever, in all our offerings, in all our communications, help the SMB, focus towards helping the SMB scale by providing them with advanced solutions that is designed to bring efficiency and expand their reach. Okay. So our Dubai Cloud Hub, which is a differentiator in the market, provides these six pillars. We say that okay, the Dubai methodology says that we come up with JTBD assets. So what is a JTBD asset? You would be seeing 100 plus jobs to be done assets developed by us. So what we do is when we reach out to our end customer and we discuss about their pain points, their specific pain points, and we provide a solution to that particular pain point using technology. Uh, so we say that okay, we will document it, and we will then go to other customers of similar nature, other customers of similar industry, and we will provide this particular solution to them and show them that okay, these were the jobs that were supposed to be done for this particular customer of this size and this industry, and probably you may also face this particular problem in near future. So let's get this job done. So we've created 100 such replicable jobs to be done assets that we share with our customers on a regular basis. We enable them through learning mechanisms and adoption focus, and we show them that okay, Mr. Customer, Mr. SMB customer, this is how you may solve an existing pain point, and how you may focus on solving a job that is supposed to be done, let's say in near future. We, as I mentioned at the start of this particular webinar, we take pride in calling ourselves that we package the best solution and technology for our end customers. We have created 10 plus smart bundles where we say that okay, this particular technology bundled with this additional technology is something that is a good asset for the end customer. We give it to you in a bundle, in a single billing, in a single deployment scenario. We create t-shirt size SKUs, like I mentioned in the previous slide. Smart Cloud powered by DigitalOcean has a t-shirt size SKU for different type of customers, small, medium, large. So, like the ease of purchasing a T-shirt at a garment store, where we say that okay, we need not take measurements, we need not do, I mean, go to a tailor. We just need to pick a small or a medium or a large T-shirt. We give that kind of flexibility to the SMB customers, where we say that okay, Mr. Customer, if your use case is small, please pick up this SKU and just get started within a short span of time. So we've created those t-shirt SKUs for the customers. We provide simplified upgrade and downgrade so that, I mean, whenever there is an additional need, there is no long, I mean, there's no waiting time. Whenever you want to downgrade as well, there is no wastage of resources, no wastage of money. So we package solutions for the SMB customers. We simplify the finance, we simplify the governance piece where we provide monthly reports, we provide cost predictability, we provide governance to the end customer so that they are in check of their cloud spend. They are in line with their own business forecast and they are seeing that okay, this is how their cloud I mean footprint is operating and behaving. On the right hand side, when you come, there's a faster digital delivery. So we provide two-click purchase. So whenever a prospect comes in and say that okay, I want to purchase something, we provide a two-click purchase to the customer. We provide one-stop stop through our rainbow of solutions where the customer can provide, I mean, buy cybersecurity, can buy cloud, can buy connectivity, can buy let's say, marketing solutions, can buy I mean, n number of solutions for all their needs. We help them maximize their returns. So we enable the customers using our customer success managers who will then on a regular basis after the deployment talk to them, see how they're adopting the technology. They will enable the tech adoptions. They will do multiple meetings over a period of time to see how well the customer is going on their cloud journey. In terms of reliability and assurance, we have, like I mentioned on the previous slide, we have a deep rooted capability of 110 people who have their who are skilled in multiple multi-cloud scenario. We provide managed services to customers using this particular team. We have a quality framework that comes in from the Tata brand itself that checks the quality of the service delivery that we do for our end customers. Then we provide a service assurance to our end customers that is backed with SLAs. So taking all of these pillars, we say that yes, we are crafting an SMB focused platform for India and we are enabling the SMBs to do big. Anant, over to you. Thank you.
That is fantastic, Ankan. Sounds like a great combo that brings the best of DigitalOcean as well as Tata Tele Business Services.
Yeah.
You had mentioned about DigitalOcean's infrastructure as a service products being a core part of the smart cloud. So I'm going to detail a bit more about that before we engage in some kind of discussion here. So as Ankan mentioned in a smart cloud, that if you look at that smart cloud bundle, it has several products of DigitalOcean that are part of that bundle that provides that cloud experience for a lot of growing businesses in India. So what I'm going to do here is spend few minutes adding more details about those IaaS products, right? Let's just begin with virtual machines, which we call as droplets. Um, let's say you're building an app, deploying a website, or even setting up a backend service. You need virtual machines that are fast, simple, and just work, right? And at DigitalOcean, as I said, we call these droplets, and they are purpose built for growing businesses, digital native enterprises, and for developers and DevOps teams who want that predictable pricing that Ankan had talked about, right? And the 99.99% uptime SLA and the built-in security without having to use like 10 different tools to make it safe and secure, right? Uh, Customers find it super easy to spin up and manage droplets, those virtual machines, however you prefer, either through the web user experience or the CLI, API, or even Terraform, right? And if you want to scale, right? You can resize a droplet to add more as you grow, and backed by our global infrastructure as well, right? And here's the kicker: you get free bandwidth, right? 500 JB outbound, and monitoring and firewalls included in every droplet too. So that's a virtual machine that is purpose built for tons of growing businesses like yours. So next, I want to share a bit more about our storage options, right? So uh, let's talk about storage, because not every app has the same needs, right? Like for unstructured data like images, videos, or backups, we offer Spaces object storage. It's reliable, affordable, and S3 compatible. So if you've used, let's say, an AWS before, you'll feel right at home using the Spaces storage. Bonuses, it includes a built-in CDN and supports per bucket access keys for tighter security as well. And then if your needs are more around like faster performance, especially with database or high input output workloads, we offer volumes block storage as well. It's NVMe based, so it's faster than the traditional SSDs, and you can attach and resize it on the go as well. Whatever your use cases, right? Media, delivery, application data, or analytics, we've got you covered on your storage needs as well. The next thing that I want to share a bit more is about our networking options too, right? So to keep everything running smoothly and securely, we also offer powerful networking tools like VPCs, which help you connect. If it helps you create your isolated environments for better control and security. We also offer tons of load balancers that make scaling effortless and ensure your applications stay available even during peak traffic times. And we offer cloud firewalls to let you lock things down with a few clicks at no extra cost. And then DNS management is built in. So hosting your site or application is easy. And we also include DDoS protection to keep your application safe and responsive too. So whether you're just getting started or building a distributed application, these tools help you build with confidence. With that, I would love to ask few questions. If we have few questions, I request the audience to ask in the chat or the comment section. But Ankan, I was fascinated by what you shared as part of the smart cloud presentations here. Maybe I could get us started with a few questions that might be on our audience's mind as well. Um, it was fascinating to see how you bring the best of DigitalOcean and Tata Tele Business Services to provide real value to growing businesses. Can you share a bit more details about what is the unique value that smart cloud offers compared to other options that are available in the market today?
Perfect, perfect. Thanks a lot, Anand, for that question. So, to answer this question, we should take a step back. So, what is troubling the customers today? The main trouble point is that there is a plethora of there's plethora of options. There are n number of different virtual machines. There are n number of different SKUs, like you mentioned. There are different ways how we can configure a particular cloud. There are different configuration designs. There are different SKUs in the past. There are different SKUs in the IS. So what we do is when we get into a particular discussion with the customer, we say that okay, Mr. Customer, if this is your particular need, for this particular need, this is a particular T-shirt size that will be helpful for you to start scaling up and start getting onto the cloud journey immediately. So that particular T-shirt size enables the end customer with the cloud infrastructure in a very shorter duration of time. So like I mentioned, the bundled offering comes in with droplets. The bundled offering comes in with the STD disk, with let's say an IP address, with let's say DDoS protection, with let's say egress bandwidth, with cloud firewall. So for one particular company that is just getting started, a smaller bundled offering is sufficient to host a small application. Example, let's say they want to host their website. So for hosting a website, all of these SKUs bundled together are the real deal. So when the customer wants to get on and start their hosting their website, they just need to purchase a small size SKU from Tata Tele Services, small SKU of Smart Cloud from Tata Tele Services, and then within a short duration of time they are there. Now let's move. I mean, this was for the applications team of the customer. Now let's shift our focus towards the business team. So when the business team says that okay, uh, I have this particular business forecast, and for this business forecast, this is the technology that I will need, and this is the cost that it will incur. So a solution like Smart Cloud gives predictability on the cost of cloud. So there are minimal, I mean, deviations when it comes to the monthly billing. There is absolute no usage surge. There is no cost blow up. So the cost is in control for the business teams, and they can go out in the market confidently in front of their customers and start increasing their revenue, and in turn start increasing their profitability. So that is there for the business teams. Now, when we shift our focus towards the finance and the SCM teams, when I mean the customer starts getting onto the cloud journey, the finance team, the SCM team, the teams who will be issuing the purchase orders, they are the most troubled ones. Reason being, the application team will come in. They will say that I need cloud to quickly host this particular application and quickly reach out to my customers. The finance team will say that okay, Mr. Application Developer, I will issue a PO. For that purchase order, they will take some amount of time. So through our DBCH portal, Do by Cloud Hub portal, we have simplified that journey, and we say that okay, we will give you a two-click purchase. So whenever you are going forward to buy a new SK1 cloud, you can just, I mean, come onto the portal, give us an order, and you are good to go. So that particular pain point is solved. Now, once the cloud usage starts, and the SCM team or the finance team who will be processing the payments of the invoice, once they start receiving the bill and they will start receiving complex SKUs, they will start receiving different I mean line items as compared to what the purchase order was, they will start getting puzzled, and then they will feel that oh, they are not able to understand anything. So for this, we have brought in a monthly subscription model where they can see that okay, this is the cost that is going to come, this is the forecast that is going to come. Through our proprietary DBCH portal, we provide them monthly reports, we provide them transparency, we provide them governance so that they can have a control on the cost, and they can also do their payments with ease. So this is a wholesome experience. This is a 360-degree experience that we provide to our customer. We understand the points of the different teams, the individual teams within the customer's organization, and try and see how we can provide them with superior experience through our smart cloud solution.
Fantastic. I love that because that combines the simplicity and the ease of use experience offered by the product, and you layer on top a simple purchase experience, a simple easy cloud bill to understand and manage the payments. That is simplicity layered on top of simplicity, right? Which is extremely valuable for a lot of growing businesses. Really love that simplicity being enhanced by this combination. Ankit, there's a question on the from one of our viewers, Guru. Thank you for asking that question. The question was about, hey, can you share a bit about the speed, accuracy, and SLAs? As I shared, like DigitalOcean's droplets are super fast, right? We do they do come with a 99.99% uptime SLA, right? And it has built-in security and transparent pricing. So you get everything that you need to build at scale and secure your applications, which can be super responsive based on those highly performant um, virtual machines as well. And similarly, we have a variety of storage products based on your throughput needs. You could either go with volumes block storage, or you could go with S3 compatible spaces storage. So we have a variety of options that are backed by stellar SLAs and stellar uptime as well. So, Guru, thank you so much for asking the question. We would really encourage you to sign up and try the solution and experience the speed, reliability, and accuracy as well. So there's another question followed by Guru. So he asked me, how do you deal with such high traffic? So we didn't get into the details of this. So managing traffic spikes, optimizing usage is also on top of mind for many application builders, right? So that's why, as part of our virtual machines, we also offer features such as auto scaling. What it does is, let's say you have a business that have seasonal demands. Maybe you're running promotions during certain times of the month. Maybe you have a traffic that's more during the day than during the evenings and nights. Or maybe you're an educational provider who has a specific training session that's coming up and you're going to have a spike in usage during that time, right? So for such cases, right, we have something called as auto scale pool, where you could set up the auto scale pool to say that, hey, here is the type of virtual machine that I need. And whenever the CPU or memory threshold that you set exceeds, right, the auto scale pool will automatically horizontally add more virtual machines to help you manage traffic spikes. So that's one way to automatically scale without having to manually monitor and provision additional droplets when you have to spike. The other way to manage this is load balancer. As I said, we also offer tons of load balancers, right? Uh, both HTTP load balancer as well as networking load balancer, right? So these load balancers can help you distribute traffic and help you manage traffic spikes and ensure that all your visitors get responsive results from your web applications as well. So, and then again, as I said, we have a variety of storage options. So the combination of auto scale pool, the right load balancers can help you manage the vagaries of your traffic for your applications. Thanks again for that question, Guru. Moving along, I know we have another couple of minutes on this session here. Maybe Ankan, it'll be great if you can share. Like, I was more intrigued by the network connectivity piece of the smart cloud that you had shared too. So, can you share a bit more about value-added services, especially like how do you help customers who may want a multi-cloud setup, or maybe they want to connect the smart cloud with an on-premise system they already have? Can you share a bit more about that multi-cloud, hybrid cloud network connectivity that you shared as part of smart cloud?
Yeah. So thanks, Anand, for the question. So being a telecom provider, we have a wide range of telco solutions as well. To name a few: Smart ILL, SD-WAN, MPLS solution. So when a customer is purchasing smart cloud powered by DigitalOcean from us, customers can also engage with Tata Tele services, where we can provide a direct connectivity from the customer's location, from the customer's office to the DigitalOcean data centers. And the benefit that comes with this is, the associate experience. The way in which the associates of the customers engage with the technologies in which in which the customer is investing, that improves. So this is one particular benefit that is being given to the CIO organization of the customer. Like in the previous question I mentioned, we are giving benefits to business teams, to the finance team, to the product team, to the application team. Let's switch our focus towards the CIO of the organization. So CIO of the organization comes in and says that, okay, Mr. Organization, this is my roadmap, and this is how I will transform the entire organization. But the moment those customers were using the on-prem servers, the moment they go onto cloud, the associates of the company, they start complaining. They say that, oh, my experience has been spoiled because here I was on a local area network, I was using an on-premise server, and I was not getting any lag, not getting any latency. But now I've gone to cloud. I may be experiencing some latency, etc., etc. So what we say is that when a customer is purchasing cloud from us, we are also giving a connectivity solution. So there's an option to purchase a connectivity solution. And that solution can also be split onto the needs of the customer into a small, medium, large kind of t-shirt size. And then once a direct connectivity from the customer location to a DigitalOcean location is established, the customers, associates, I mean, who are going to use this technology, they get minimal latency. So that is one particular aspect. The other aspect is, say, being a large telco in India, we have direct connectivity with other hyperscalers. I mean, to name a few, AWS, Azure, etc. So we can provide connectivity to those data centers as well, and provide a multi-cloud kind of solution to the end customer, and enable the end customer to leverage all of these hyperscalers and improve their posture on on the cloud, and improve their ROI.
Fantastic. Multi-cloud setup, connecting cloud versus on-prem is on top of mind for many businesses, right? For example, a lot of businesses see that our virtual machines and our storage options are super cheap. For example, our storage offers a built-in CDN, right? And our virtual machines are way cheaper than what many hyperscalers and other competitors offer. So they have applications that use some of our components here, smart clouds components here, and maybe they connect with a database in their own on-premise data center, or they want to connect to a hyper scaler. This multi-cloud connectivity can help such customers as well. Fascinating, Ankit.
Exactly. So,
Yeah,
so this just taking one particular minute onto this point. So, let's say a customer is is operating in an industry that is heavily regulated,
yeah.
and they want to store their data on an on-premise scenario, but the application is residing on cloud. So, at that point of time, I mean, they may be worried about the latency, because I mean, every time the HTTP request goes to the application then comes back onto the on-premise and queries the database. Now, this latency can be removed by using our telco solutions. The customer can establish direct connectivity and ensure minimal latency to this, and can experience a seamless way of working on the cloud.
No, fantastic, fantastic. Before we wrap up, I again wanted to thank you all for joining us today. Um, we have two special offers for all attendees today, right? You could scan the QR codes that you see on the screen here. On your left side is an offer which gives you free credits to try out DigitalOcean, which is part of the Smart Cloud, with no strings attached, right? If you're someone who wants to try things yourself, right, you could scan that and get access to DigitalOcean and see the powerful virtual machine storage and networking capabilities that are part of the Smart Cloud right there. And then if you're someone who wants to connect with an expert to discuss options, get some guidance, and simplify your current cloud setup, right? We also offer a free cloud review session. So you could sign up the QR code that you see on the right side of your screen, and it's a simple form. If you submit that, right, you could connect with one of your experts to get some guidance on how to set up or optimize your cloud architecture through the smart cloud solution, and to help you take that guided approach. This is the right offer for that for you. We are here to help you start strong, no matter whether you want to start on the self-service path, right, or whether you want an expert guidance. We are here to help you start strong. Again, to all growing businesses out there in India, right, to all cloud builders in India, right, developers, architects, DevOps teams, you do not need a complicated cloud to build something big, right? You don't need complexity to do big, right? You just need the right cloud and the right partner. That's what Smart Cloud from Tata Tele Business Services, powered by DigitalOcean, is all about. And let's simplify that cloud for you so that you can focus on growing your business. Thank you again for joining us today, and hoping to see you all in the Smart Cloud. Thank you. Thanks, Ankan.
Thanks a lot. Thanks to everyone. Thanks a lot.